Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And we opened lower due to global cues. And I always say there is only one certainty about stock market, and that is uncertainty. And who would have thought today Nifty will close about 60 points higher in the morning. Yesterday Dow future was plus 200 when we closed. Then later when US market opened, it closed minus 200 point. Today morning I woke up, I look at the SGX Nifty, that was indicating opening lower than yesterday's low. Yesterday it was closing at the highest point of the day. Usually if the market closes at the highest point of the day, the next day it should be slightly up or it should be flat or slightly down. It should not open lower than yesterday's low. That is a huge volatility. But what happened? We opened and then very quickly we have recovered. And from the beginning, the Reliance Industries was looking very, very bullish, and also both HDFC Bank and HDFC. In the morning also I said if the markets have to go higher and HDFC twins will have to support and Reliance also have to support, that has supported. But again HDFC Bank was very volatile, it was going up then coming down again going up, all kinds of moves in HDFC twins. As usual people played with the TCS, it opened significantly gap down, then again shot up to trade in green, and finally among the index heavyweights, Kotak Bank was slightly down, but what was not expected is only the Infosys. So Infosys was down. But anyway, we have only a few more days for the result season. So we have to see how it is going to happen. And Bank Nifty was too volatile. But despite the volatility, just last two trading sessions, Bank Nifty has shot up 1200 points. And Nifty also, just 2-3 days before, Nifty was trading closer to 15,800. Now it is trading closer to 16,400. There was a 600 point rally. There were months, a few years before, one whole month Nifty used to make only 300 to 400 points. But nowadays, for 3 days, 4 days, it's making such a big move. So, except HDFC Bank, all other banks are looking very good. You may remember I suggested selling Kotak Bank 1700 PE. SBI is really outstanding. I remember seeing SBI like 440, 445 like that a few weeks before. Now it is almost near 500. So PSU banks are doing really very, very well. And today mid caps and small caps have outperformed the large caps. And coming back to options, I think there was some unwinding in 16,200 CE, and there's a huge addition of open interest in 16,300 PE. So day before yesterday, huge addition in 16,000 PE, yesterday huge addition in 16,200 PE, and today huge addition in 16,300 PE. So the markets are getting more and more bullish on a day-to-day basis. And if everything goes well, so we are headed to 16,500. I think on 9th of June or something, so we went to 16,500 and then suddenly we fell, and then after 2 days there was a huge gap down, then we fell to 15,200. So therefore 16,500 should be a sort of resistance now. But again, for last few days, it's shooting up 400, 600 points. Will not be surprised if the same thing happens in the opposite side in the next few days ahead of the Fed policy. So the Fed policy jitter will begin next week. So some people are taking 16,300 short straddle. Usually people take short straddle on Tuesday. Just one day they manage if the market move violently. So otherwise by tomorrow they'll make some good profit, and then day after tomorrow opening itself they will exit. So Hindustan Unilever came out with good results, it seems, after the market hours. So right now Dow future is trading around 200 points plus. So we hope just like yesterday, it does not close 200 point minus tonight. So FIIs have turned net buyers today. They bought for 976 crores. And remember, this is a 2 consecutive trading session of FII buying. FII buying in cash market and selling in futures market. So futures market is very, very terrible. We have yet to get the data, but I think they are more than 80% short in futures. So we have finalized the hotel for our Dubai conference, so which is Ritz-Carlton, Dubai International Finance City, DIFC. So which is a very, very prestigious event, and no Indian has done a conference like this, and is targeted at HNI clients and who wish to trade in US market or who wish to set up, like FPI in India and so on. So if you are interested, so you can get the details in the description. So you can call, book your seats. So the seats are filling fast. I think as last count, we have already got 50 confirmed seats. So we are opening only 100 seats. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.